Renowned industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata passed away last night in Mumbai at the age of 86. He had been undergoing treatment at a private hospital and was in critical condition. The Maharashtra government has announced one-day state mourning today, and Ratan Tata's final rites will be performed with full state honours. People from all walks of life today paid respects to the industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata at the NCPA in Mumbai. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and others including Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma have expressed their condolences on the demise of the renowned businessman and philanthropist.
I am deeply saddened to learn and hear about the demise of late Ratan Tata ji. He was, of course, a very, very well-known figure, not just because of how he transformed the industry, transformed the Tatas, but also for all his philanthropic work, and especially his kindness to people of all statures. And I think that's what he will be remembered most for his kindness and for his humility and for his simplicity.
The district hub for empowerment